Welcome to a spicy adventure in the world of green chilies. These little fiery wonders not only add a kick to your meals but also come with a bunch of fun and fascinating facts. From culinary uses to surprising health benefits, green chilies have a lot more to offer than just heat. Let's uncover the exciting and spicy world of green chilies. Fun and interesting facts about green chilies. Diverse heat levels. Green chilies come in a wide range of heat levels, from mildly spicy to extremely hot. The heat is measured on the Scoville scale, and some green chilies can be as mild as a bell pepper, while others rival the intensity of jalapenos or even habaneros. Vitamin C powerhouse. Green chilies are packed with vitamin C, which is essential for a strong immune system, skin health, and wound healing. In fact, they contain more vitamin C than oranges, making them a nutritional powerhouse. Capsaicin content. The compound responsible for the heat in green chilies is capsaicin. Interestingly, birds are immune to capsaicin, allowing them to enjoy the chilies and help in seed dispersal. Ancient origins. Green chilies have a rich history dating back thousands of years. They were cultivated in the Americas and were one of the first plants domesticated by ancient Mesoamerican civilizations. Culinary versatility. Green chilies are incredibly versatile in cooking. They can be used in salsas, chutneys, stir-fries, curries, and even desserts. Their heat and flavor add a delightful punch to a variety of dishes. Natural pain reliever. Consuming green chilies can stimulate the release of endorphins, providing a natural pain relief effect. They may also help in managing arthritis and migraines due to their analgesic properties. Hottest chili varieties. Some green chilies, like the Carolina Reaper and Bahut Jolokia, ghost pepper, have made it to the list of the world's hottest chilies, bringing intense heat that challenges even the bravest spice enthusiasts. Colors and varieties. Green chilies can ripen into various colors, including yellow, orange, red, and even brown. Each stage of ripening alters the flavor and heat profile, offering a diverse culinary experience. Preservation in folklore. Folklore in some cultures suggests that placing a green chili near valuables or entrances can protect against evil spirits and bring good luck. Like and subscribe to spice up your knowledge. If you're loving these spicy facts about green chilies and want to sprinkle some spice into your life, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more sizzling facts, culinary adventures, and everything spicy.